So today we have a beautiful collection. We're still celebrating the store and the store sale. We have two price points at the store, and that's 12 and 15. And so if it's a blend, then it is 12, and if it's 100%, it's 15. And there's some exceptions to that. But like this is a cotton poly. This is a very fine ribbing. It's a charcoal on one side. It's lighter on the other side, but it's charcoal. The side that's the ribbing is the charcoal. So it's a cotton poly. Really nice fabric, stretch in one direction. So that would be $12, $11.99. This is a wool silk poly. So anything that has wool or silk in it goes to 15. So this would be $14.99. Beautiful piece. Very classic in nature and color, and yet lightweight and very pretty. Very pretty. It is a woven, but it's a stretch woven. So it has not a lot of stretch, but stretch in one direction. But very light, very pretty. This is a cotton poly. Again, a stretch woven. I put them in because this piece here is just can blend so beautifully to the grays, to the charcoals. You can see it goes to the charcoals and it goes to the blacks. It goes either way. Very pretty. This is a black. It's cotton poly, stretch woven, stretch in one direction. Just lightweight, great for jackets. Winter jackets would be really nice with this. Light and yet another layer. This is a cotton poly. Love this print. You know, with this, you could do a little t-shirt and just do bias, which would be so cute. It has stretch in both directions. Turn it any which direction, it would really work well. Cotton poly, so $11.99. This is sweater knit. Beautiful fringe. Look at that. This has stretch really in both directions. It's not a lot, but it's great. It's a really pretty piece of fabric. 100% cotton. So that would be $14.99. Then we have, last but not least, our little friend. I love this little, it's like a sheer. Great for just like a little t-shirt. Sheer, but you can see by the time you put it against your body, you really can't see over it. It's a cotton poly, so it'd be $11.99. Sorry for my voice again. Anyway, beautiful collection. So today and tomorrow there'll be those prices, and then we'll go from there. So the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.